Hakane ke Jingkynmaw smai yulat ke Jylla Meghalaya ubatamai Chandrasekhar H Vijayashankar laidan lang Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma disebut Menteri Rangba bakentup ubak Presiden Tensong bat ubak Senyaw Balangdhar ki Menteri Sarkar ki MLA Chief Secretary ke Jylla ubak DP Walang ki Head Officer Sarkar ki Head Sipai bat kiwe-kiwe ki Belasakot Sengobha. Chandrasekhar H Vijayashankar ulawan cimti kumulat bepura ke Jylla Meghalaya hakajaka jeng ulat berem upagu cohan. Habai keren beginong patai kubor ulat ke Jylla ulat penpau ya kejing terang jeng ban buat ikin uksa jeng Presiden berem ke Riau Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Bat udah ne kejing terang ban long kumulat jeng ki Paidbah bat ukwa balada umi no nang ke Jylla ki Paidbah Jingkynmaw iet jauh. Ulat ulong ru baon bo hakmat ya ki kampen roy jeng ke Jylla Meghalaya.
I am also probably coming from the similar area. Almost my area is also covered by forest. Here also almost the area of Meghalaya covered by forest. I have been heard that it is a very clean city. Maximum importance Meghalaya people given to maintain that cleanliness. Maximum importance Meghalaya people always used to give. City should be clean. State should be always clean. I have been heard that it is a clean city. Cleanliness is the top priority here. So accordingly, I have been inspired and I have heard that it is a very peaceful state. No law and order problem and people are very cordial here. So they used to respect everybody, love everybody. So accordingly, it is not unlike any other state. I am supposed to work here as a governor. I take everybody into confidence here, not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence and only development. I know any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. I know any personal agenda. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve this state as a governor. That's all my responsibility. As a governor, whatever I am supposed to look after, whatever supposed to care I have to take, only I stick on to that. Rest of the aspect, other issue, it is not at all related to me. As a governor, I serve here. When I complete my tenure here as a governor of the state, when I go back, not only the government, not only the bureaucracy, entire Meghalaya people should say, one of the very good governor we had for the first so many years. Every people should say, one of the honest, one of the very development oriented governor he had come to our state. This you people, in the sense Meghalaya people, always should remember. In that way, I am ready to give my time. Day and night I am ready to work. And I take the local government also into confidence. And fortunately, India government is here. And one more thing I tell you, I am so proud to say here, when I entered into parliament as a parliament member, Mr. Sangma was the speaker by that time. Right now, his son, Mr. Sangma, is the chief minister here. When I entered into parliament first time, his father was the speaker. When I had come here as a governor, his son is the chief minister here. So accordingly, I know this family very well. I know the background of the family. And moreover, India government is running here. I take everybody into confidence. Ultimately, we have to run the government smoothly. And always we have to give maximum priority and preference to the development of the state. Accordingly, I work here as a governor.